Almost 7 feet tall. He's a giant man. Very, very kind person. He had a nice family, a wife and a teenage daughter and son. The family had a private chock. It's a flat-bottomed, small yacht that one person can sail. And they were sailing recreationally in the Oostschelde, the West Sea, south of Rotterdam. When they struck an object in the clear channel, the yacht bounced off from it. After he struck something in the water, he looked over the rail and saw a body floating. His quick first reaction was to jump over the rail and rescue the body. When he turned it over, he saw a completely different morphology. The features were different, everything was different. He picked it up in his arms and he was wading on this underwater surface that was now rising. It came up above the water level, and a black tower rose out of the center out of it. A door opened in the side, and another being in a suit just like the one in his arms came out and took the second one out of his arms and took it down inside. Then he came right back to the door of the little tower and thanked him for rescuing his fellow. The family spent the night in the chock in the clear channel, so when the aliens emerged again in the morning, they moved him a little closer out of the channel, to a side of the channel, and submerged again after taking him aboard. They sat him in front of viewing screens and showed him how to use controls to zoom and pan on images that came up on the screen, and then they allowed him to ask questions. When he looked to his right, there was a curved blue glass window with 3 or 4 of these creatures, just like the one that he had rescued, facing him through the glass, watching him ask the questions, and they were using some controls and bringing images up on the viewing screens for him to observe. When he asked about their living, how they lived, they brought up images of their apartment complexes, their homes, even the interiors of their homes. When he asked about their commercial facilities, they showed him shopping centers in their apartment complexes. He asked about agriculture. They showed him automated agricultural systems that produce all of the foodstuffs automatically. They told him that the land surface of their planet was less than ours, that there was about 20% land surface, whereas ours was about 35%. They are semi-aquatic creatures. Their population density on their planet was considerably more than ours, but they have a lot of aquatic activity. They live near the water, and they can even stay underwater for up to 30 minutes like a seal and then come back up for air, whereas we don't have those capabilities. It's just part of their nature, their physiology, and their society. And they have underwater creatures that they farm. It's a unique society, but it was completely different from ours. Their morphology was different, their sciences were different, their technology was different, their foodstuffs were different, everything was different. And they're just as ambient as we are and can get around the stars, and we can't even leave this planet and go anyplace yet.